Hi, this video is about buying an adapter. And you see this is negative on the outside and plus on the inside. That's standard polarity with the DC. You got plus inside the hole and negative outside. Around it is negative. Standard polarity. Now some devices, for example this one here, needs reverse polarity, which is plus on the outside and negative on the inside, and that's going to look like this. Negative to here, plus to here. On your back of your device, I don't know if I can zoom in on this right. If you can see that, it's negative on the center and plus on the outside. And so this one's opposite. This is standard. That one's reverse. So I ordered this by mail, so I'm not bringing it back. I'm just going to swap the wires here. And in order to do that, you cut this piece out with a razor blade, cut around the edge, cut around the edge, and you cut down the middle. You don't really cut all the way through, you cut partially through, and then you kind of work with it back and forth and break it and pull it apart, because if you cut all the way through, you may cut your wire. You don't want to do that. If you just cut a little bit of one, it would probably be alright, but if you cut both of them, you can short it together and then your device will not work. So anyway, so you're going to solder these two wires. Once you're done soldering, you'll put your heat shrink up. Don't forget to put your heat shrink on, or you'll have to take it back apart again. It happens to a lot of professionals. It just happens. People make mistakes. Anyway, so you're going to shrink that down, and once you get that done, you're going to have this big piece on here. And I put 3 of them on here. I probably won't need them all, but you can always cut them off. So you're going to slide these up. Once you shrink these, slide these over this and shrink those down also. The best dikes for this job is the snap-on dikes. They're expensive, but you get the flush cut, and that way after you solder you can cut the solder smooth and make it look nice. They're really a good deal. I've used many dikes, tried different Mako, blah blah blah, and the snap-on worked the best. Anyway, so when we're done, our center is going to be negative, our outside is going to be positive, and that'll work for this. And I bought a Boss ME70 pedal, and it'll work for that too. Alright, so I hope this helps out on reversing your polarity. I know I was confused when I plugged this adapter in and it didn't work in either pedal. I tried it in one pedal and I thought, what the heck, and then I tried it in the other. Then I asked somebody and they told me about these polarity markings and how some of these adapters are backwards. The devices are backwards than the adapters. So anyway, that's a way to flip them. If you're near a store, bought it at a store, maybe you'll find the right one at the store, but if you order it for mail like I did, you can just flip it right there. Alright, thank you and have a good day.